Hi guys, welcome back to Lovely Car Drivers. Today I did a new modification on my car. It is the rear engine mount from Hasport. Um, it's the U70A Race one. Yes, it was a very easy job to do. So two bolts. You just need to remove your plate, and then you got one bolt and two bolts. But the second bolt underneath, yes, because you had one bolt on the front here, like this, and then the other bolt like this. But the one like this, you need to remove actually the plate, the bigger plate. But I didn't do that. I just make that hole. You got a little hole, so I make it a little bit bigger, that hole, and then it was easy to do. So yes, you removed that bolt easier than you need to all the plate bolts to get it out. So yeah, I did that. You will see this on the photos that I used. I didn't made a video of it because it was so simple, but I did some photos, so you can see difference about the original one and that one, the Hay Sport. It's well a big difference. The biggest difference is when you start it for the first time. Man, oh man, it's a vibration everywhere. I was thinking, oh my god, what is this? Taking the steering wheel. So what was this? And only got it was really vibrating like hell. But when I was driving, uh, no more vibration. It was gone. But when I standing still for a red light, the vibration came back, and so okay, I was thinking, oh my god, always that vibration. That's not my thing. But um, I've done 1,000 kilometers with it now, and it's almost gone. Uh, though I did a video where you can see or not see the vibration. Oh, it's not from the first time. It's actually now when I'm starting the car now, you will see, I think, no more vibration. But in this video that will come, you will see the vibration. Uh, but first, you will hear a cold start. So as you can see, there is no more vibration anymore. There is still a little bit of vibration when you're putting your hands on the car, but it's not like the first time you're starting the car. So you need to drive I did it 1,000 kilometers with the car, and the vibration is almost gone. What I do think about is uh, you feel that your engine is stiffer. So when I'm at the lights or we're doing a pull up with your wheel spin, your car is not bouncing a lot anymore. Actually, it doesn't bounce anymore with it. So that's a good thing. So when I am doing a hard pour with the car, it's not so, yes, no more bouncing. So that's for me it's very good, because when you are wanting to drive the car hard, and you're next to somebody else, uh, and you got a lot of wheel spin with this car like we all have, then the bouncing is I don't like. But now it's okay. So yeah, that's my meaning, what I'm thinking about this, and I will do it again. It's Actually, it's very easy. It's a cheap modification. Actually, mine costed 180 euros or so. But okay, so that's done. Up to the next thing. What I'm going to do now, do not know. I'm thinking about it. But you will see me again. Bye bye.